Alright, so I have a 98 GMC 1500 with a 5.7 liter, and it is misfiring, and it was throwing all sorts of codes, low fuel pressure and misfiring and all that good stuff. Well, long story short, replace the fuel pump and the fuel filter, which is just underneath the driver's door here. And now we're throwing two codes, but we were just throwing the PO300. PO300 is just a random misfire, and the causes of it can be a fuel pump. Not really a filter was listed, but I'm assuming that could be an issue. And then next would be clogged valves, or possibly the spark plugs and spark plug wires. So that is my next step now, and let's see what the next code is. PO300 is popped up again, but with a P this time, and I'm not sure what that means. But the challenge here is going to be the Whipple supercharger that's on here. Because, the spark plugs are down in there below it. So, it's going to be lovely. Really can't tell until you put it in drive that it's got an issue. So, yeah, woo!